How you doing, sir? Can you tell me a little about your bike?
So it's a 2016 S1000XR, bought it used, had 9,000 miles on it. Dude I bought it from was a technician, so he put the Acra straight pipes in it. He had some kind of custom tune on it, and he's telling me it's going to get 180. I doubt that I'm going to get that much, but it's going to be up there. I mean, that bike runs pretty good. It'll do wheelies in just about every gear.
What kind of work is done to it besides the tune?
What's that?
What kind of work is done to it besides the tunes?
That's about it, besides the straight pipe exhaust. So he removed the cat and the exhaust, as far as I know.
The cat was eliminated?
And then he put the high flow air filter in there, and that's it. You know, we're gonna see what it runs. It's plenty fast for me, I can tell you that.
So it's running catless now?
That's right.
Cool.
That's right. So it's get great emissions. I must have dropped like 10 miles per gallon.
At least you got
my
the oxygen sensors hooked up.
Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. We're gonna find out.
We'll see, we'll see. He's looking good. Are these highway pegs?
Yeah. See, this is it.
What year's this piece? 2016?
2016. I got a lot of heavy Farkles on it, but once you get my age, you know, you want a little bit of comfort to go with speed, you know what I'm saying? Comfort with speed.
Thanks for telling our viewers that, because they would be like wondering, you know, what's the deal?
That's right. Why would I be doing something like that? I'm 55 and I like to put my feet up and relax every once in a while. Quickly.
I hear you with that. Ain't nothing bad about comfort,
right? Were you able to get traction control on? Once I start rolling the rear and on the front, it'll kick itself off.
All right, here it goes, John. I'm in a row.
It's a pretty respectable bike.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, it's running pretty good. Nice smooth curve
like
on it.
Like the stock silencer on there?
Yeah, it's just got the stock exhaust on it.
Does that have the cat in the muffler?
Pardon?
Is there a cat in the muffler in there?
No, as far as I know, no.
Nah. All right, good run, Tom.
Yeah, we had a good run. Thanks, Tom, for
Be
filming
looking
it.
for it on my YouTube channel.
You bet, man. I will.